vision without even turning your head. Think about seeing what's outside the glass window, the street, the cars. Think about outside the glass door here, the meeting rooms, other people. Think about downstairs. Think about the auditorium. Just allow that vision to keep expanding and expanding and expanding. You could think about the entire Block M. Now think about the whole Pasaraya. Think about Block M Square. Think about the parking lot. Think about Antasari. Think about the LRT station and the train. Allow that internal vision to keep on going, growing, becoming more and more and more aware of the surroundings. Now pay attention to your face. As you are expanding your vision, your eye muscles are more relaxed. As your eyes are more relaxed, your face is more relaxed. Your entire jaw is more relaxed. And that helps you to relax your head, relax your neck and shoulders. So now that you are in a much more relaxed and aware state, please go ahead, lay down on your mat, keep your eyes closed and find a comfortable position as you're laying down on your mat. Take a second, get settled in. Just allow yourself to lay down on the mat. Now, as you're laying down on the mat, I would like you to imagine one thing. Imagine that your nose, think about your nose right now, take a second. Okay, feel your nose. Imagine your nose is a vacuum cleaner. Maybe your nose is a handheld vacuum cleaner. Maybe it's a big one you drag on the floor. Maybe it's a robot that you just turn on the remote control. Whatever that is, imagine your nose is a vacuum cleaner right now. And now, as you inhale, you can inhale slowly and imagine you're turning on that vacuum cleaner on your nose and suck out all the negative energy. So when you inhale, turn on that vacuum cleaner and suck out all the negative energy you have inside you. And when you exhale, exhale twice as long. Take your time. Exhale twice as long. Imagine you're dumping out everything, cleaning up the vacuum cleaner. Whatever dust, junk, negative stuff. Once again, inhale, turn off that vacuum cleaner, suck out all the negative energy. When you exhale twice as long, take your time to clean that vacuum cleaner. All the garbage, dust, junk, really clean that. Dump that vacuum cleaner. Once again, this time, it's a power vacuum cleaner, so let's make it, turn it to level 5. Inhale, level 5. Suck out all the negative energy. And exhale slowly, twice as long. We really clean up that vacuum cleaner. It has a lot of dust, a lot of junk, unwanted garbage. Let's clean it up. Very good, very good. Let's turn it to level 10. Why not? Because it's a power vacuum cleaner. So turn it to the maximum. Level 10. Inhale, turn it up. We're going to suck all the negative energy. And exhale slowly, twice as long. Take your time. We're going to dump everything out. Whatever, junk, unnecessary things, garbage, dust, anything negative that's stored inside of you, you do not need, we're going to dump it out. Now that we've cleaned it up, we use the vacuum cleaner, you're much cleaner inside. That means you have a lot more space inside of you for that positive energy in your circle